Hello students, let us solve this question. Consider s equal to x cos theta. Now for value of x and value of theta, we need to find the value of s. If you observe value of x and value of theta given, these are given with errors. See that it is 2.0 plus minus 0.2, 0.2 will be the error in x, and theta is 53 plus minus 0.2 in degrees. So this is error in theta. So we are given values of error in x. Let us represent error in x as delta x, error in theta, which is 2 degree. You can also convert it in radian. It should be 2 pi by 180 in radian. Now we need to find out the value of s. Value of s should be x cos theta. X is 2.0 multiplied with cos theta. Theta is given as 53 degree. By putting value of x, which is 2.0, value of cos 53, it should be 3 by 5. I can get value of this expression, which is going out to be 1.2. So this is the value of s. Now x is in centimeter, so this answer should be in centimeter. Now for error in s, let us differentiate the expression given. Differentiate x equal to s equal to x cos theta. By differentiation, I will get ds equal to x time cos theta's differentiation will be minus sin theta into d theta plus cos theta times differentiation of x will be dx. I can take ds to be error in s equal to, I can take error in theta to be negative side, so that I am getting maximum possible error in s. So I am taking d theta to be negative, so this equation will become, this expression will become x sin theta times delta theta plus cos theta times delta x. Now put the values of the quantities in this expression. Value of x is given as 2.0, sin theta for 53 it will be 4 by 5, value of delta theta it is 2 pi by 180 radian. You need to remember that value of angle should be written in will be written in degrees. It will give you wrong answer, because differentiation is applicable when theta is in radian. So you need to put the value of error in theta in radian only. Cos theta for theta 53 it will be 3 by 5 into error in x, it is given in question as 0.2. Just calculate this, you will get 0.18 centimeter as the error. Now the final answer should be reported as 1.2 plus minus 0.18 centimeter. This should be the final answer of s. Thank you.